Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to YouTube at 2026. So why connect Shopify to YouTube? Connecting Shopify to YouTube lets you showcase your products directly on your YouTube channel, tag products in videos and live stream, enable YouTube shopping, products listings and watch and buy, also syncing your products catalog automatically and tracking conversations from YouTube to Shopify. Okay, so the requirements you will need to know that before you start, you will need to know Shopify store with products. You will need to have the Shopify store with products. YouTube channel must be a brand account and the Google Merchant Center account for products catalog sync. Also, the YouTube partner eligibility. So you will need to have a verified channel, compliance with YouTube commerce policies, so you can read them on the supports.google.com. So on your Shopify, you will need to go to the sales channel. So just click on it, and after that, look for Google. Okay, and then just click on that option. After that, you will need to install Google and YouTube. And yeah, it will be provided into the verification or the confirmation page. Just go and click install again to confirm. And after that, you will need to click on connect Google account. And yeah, choose your account just from here. And after connecting it, you sync your Shopify products to the Google Merchant Center, and this is required because YouTube Shopping pulls products from Google Merchant Center. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.